Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a series of number in Microsoft Word table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we create a table in this document. Go to the insert menu and click table option. Then create a table. Now we resize this table and select the first column and go to the home menu. Then click numbering option and choose a number. Now we can see we insert a series of numbers. Then we can insert in another columns. We insert Roman numbers in this column. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.